In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Monday.com, and I'll guide you through using a template to streamline the process. Whether you're managing a small team or leading a large project, Monday.com offers a flexible platform to organize your tasks efficiently. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of it. To kick things off, you'll want to create a new board for your project plan. Simply navigate to the platform and click on +Add New Board. You'll then be prompted to name your board. Choose something descriptive that matches your project, such as Website Redesign Plan. This helps everyone easily identify what this board is about. At this point, you have two options. You can either start from scratch or utilize the handy project management template provided by Monday.com. Choosing the template can save time and offer a structured starting point. Next, it's important to add groups that represent the different phases of your project. Think of these as stages of your project lifecycle. Organize them into categories like planning, execution, monitoring, and completed. Segregating your task into these distinct phases helps keep your workflow logical and orderly. For each group, you'll be able to track which tasks are underway and which have been completed. As you set up your board, make sure to include essential columns to provide a clear view of the project's progress. Key columns should include task or item name, which tells you what needs to be done, owner or people column, indicating who's responsible for each task, and status, so you can mark tasks as not started, in progress, or done. Additionally, consider adding a timeline or date column to set start and end dates, and a priority column to highlight which tasks are high, medium, or low priority. You might also find it useful to link dependent tasks using a dependencies column. And don't forget to attach any relevant files or notes. Once your structure is in place, it's time to populate it with the tasks, deliverables, and milestones under each phase. For example, in the planning phase of a website project, you might include tasks like define requirements or create wireframes. During execution, your tasks could include develop homepage or set up hosting, and then move to monitoring with tasks like QA testing or bug fixes. For enhanced visualization, add different views such as Table View for detailed task management, Gantt View for a visual project timeline, Kanban View for drag and drop simplicity across stages, and Calendar View for a snapshot of deadlines. Finally, Monday.com allows you to automate workflows, which can be a real game changer. Use automations to move tasks to the completed group once they're marked done. Set notifications to alert the project owner if due dates are reached and tasks aren't completed. You can even automate setting timelines for newly created items. These automations not only save time, but also ensure nothing falls through the cracks. By following these steps, you'll create an efficient and organized project plan on Monday.com. Thanks for watching.